Guys, welcome to today's episode. We are at Dakota Honey Hole in Rapid City, South Dakota. If you don't know what preserve hunting is for pheasants, it's very popular here in South Dakota. They release pheasants. You know there's birds there. For anyone wanting to experience something like this, I definitely check it out. And it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of birds. There's gonna be a lot of shooting. Got some of the new Winchester Super Pheasant Diamond Grade. As you can tell, it's a beautiful day out here. Not many people have experienced anything like this, and I'm glad that you get to join me. Got the aim point on. I'm rocking the max cam. Oh, there's birds. Get ready.
We'll do a quick safety deal and then we'll get out of here. We're going to start out by walking from down there. We're going to spread out on that road. And we're going to put some blockers right down here at the edge of the weed patch. Let's make sure to take no low shots. Let's keep our shots nice and high. Blue sky rule all the way around. It looks like we're ready to go. Load up on the bus right here. And then we're going to go down there and walk this way.
All right, guys. Field 1. I'll come in and hit this corner. There you go. Oh!
I shot his head off. Literally.
Nice shot. Got him? You got him indeed.
Get back up, guys.
Huh. Come on, birds. Where are you at? All right, guys, update walk number 1. Definitely a lot more birds on the other side, but that's good. They got some shooting. We got a good workout. On to field number 2. I think the first one, we're basically just trying to get the birds away from the roads. Think we're gonna see a few more?
I think we're going to see a few more. 15 or 20 in this next walk.
So load up the bullets.
Load up, boys. It's about to get fun.
Damn!
Yeah, baby!
Hit him!
Baby!
Got him! Look at him go. There goes another one. Woo! Got him. Yep. He crossed the road. Nice. Oh, heck yeah. Nice work.
Those are the pen. You want to go in there?
Sure.
Literally, it's like that one is standing right there.
Oh, nice. Oh, damn. Okay.
Yeah, walk down through there.
Okay.
Then you get some good footage.
Sounds good.
Right there.
Here we go.
There you go, bud. Right
Get
there.
ready, guys.
Go!
Oh, yeah, I can make it.
Here, bud.
Oh, dog's gonna get it. But,
Here we go in front.
there.
Do it again. Do it again. Nice and slow, guys. Ever.
Ooh. Here we go, guys. Walk number 3 or 4. Already some birds, so let's get to it. Alright guys, there's a lot of birds in here. It's really windy out, so I'm going to try to talk loud, but I don't know how good the audio is going to be. Yep, they got it. A lot of birds right up in there. A lot of birds. Alright guys, still windy. Here we go. Mill it, field, it's gonna get good. Here we go, here we go! Too low! Rooster! Yep. Here we go. Got it.
Got it. Nice one.
Yeah, come on now. Nice shot. Rooster. right, guys. Getting ready for the next one. We're good? Here we go, guys. Here we go. Ooh! Ooh! Oh! Woo! Yeah, come on now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Did you see it?
I got it.
Okay. Yep, yep. Yep, yep. Come on now. Nice shot. Clean up crew. Coming at you guys in the trees. 30 yards out. Rooster! Yeah, yeah. There he goes. Get him, John.
Great retriever.
You did it. We really did it.
Yeah!
115. 115, guys. So,
No, leave it right there. No third bird.
that is crazy, guys.
Yeah, so this bird I kept from getting cleaned because I wanted to mount it. So he's got 30-inch tails, but he's actually 31 to 32-inch tails by the time you pull his feathers out of him. So it'd be like a trophy rooster, it'd be like a 2-year-old bird. So yeah, he'll go on the wall with it.
That is the
rest of
longest
my-
tail feather I've ever seen.
Yeah, they're huge. We call it the honey hole because you know how you walk and walk and walk, and then when you're trying to fill your limits or trying to get a bunch of birds, the guide always says, I want to take you to the honey hole. So they take them to the honey hole, and then roosters come out everywhere, and people shoot all over the place. We kind of wanted to try to make it to where every walk was basically a honey hole walk. We wanted to have a lot of birds, a lot of shooting. So that's kind of how we designed the whole thing in the beginning. So yeah, it's a good time. A lot of, we try to keep it as natural as possible. You know, no one likes a canned hunt, or like we used to call them in the old days, like a boot and shoot type hunt. Those aren't as much fun. You want to feel like you're out hunting wild birds, and I think we do as good a job as anybody at keeping our birds to look wild.
100%. But the amount of birds that you see here, and if you could explain it just a little bit too, of as far as the state goes, why we're able to shoot so many compared to like a normal limit.
So we're a preserve, and we have a preserve license. And with the preserve license, until I believe January, end of January, it's basically unlimited per person. Now after January, it becomes, I think, 15 birds per person. We don't have to follow the state law as far as 3 birds per person, because we're a licensed hunting preserve.
I want to make that really clear.
You want us to think we're out there walking public land shooting 25 birds on each walk. No, understandable. Yeah.
So in this, what did we end up with? 115?
115.
Okay, so people want to come out. They've just seen this video. They know now how good it is out here.
Yeah.
How do they get in touch with you guys?
The best way to get in touch is just call my phone, 605-209-2138. We do have a webpage at dakotahoneyhole.com. But yeah, the best is just to call me on my cell phone. I book all the hunts and make room for different things. So yeah, that's the best way to get hold of me.
Perfect. Guys, get a hold of Josh. You're not going to regret it at all. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, follow along. We're going to be out here again. This was way too much fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for tuning into Prestige Outdoors. We're so happy to have you along on our journey. Be sure to like, comment, and click that follow button to see more hunting and outdoors content.